So I'm just replacing the indicator bulbs, this one, and my neutral light, which is this one. Let's go. That's the original style bulb. Indicator. Right hand side's the original bulb. Yeah, with the naked eye, it's definitely brighter. It doesn't look much on the video, but it is with the naked eye. That's before and after. LED on the right hand side there, and it's a green LED. I could have gone for clear, I guess. Don't put it all together until you've tested it, because the bulbs only work one way. It did no harm sticking it in the other way, it just doesn't work. So test them before you stick it all back together. It's only really the neutral light and the indicators that get used on the front of this, so I'm only changing those. So I've left the high beam and the oil level as is. That's great. No impact on the relay or anything. Worked first time. So I got these from RS Components, or Radionics as they're known in Ireland. So part number was 209361. They're cheap enough. €6 or €7 I think they were. I know you can get cheaper LEDs, but these are quite good quality ones I think, so the fitted ones, that'll be it. Total time to fit, probably about 10 or 15 minutes start to finish. Just take off the top screen, a couple of screws on the holding the clocks together, and it's easier if you take off the speedo cable. You can just pull this up a bit more and get everything a bit easier. So I'd say 15 minutes tops.